Good evening, friends. Now, in this particular session, I should say, I would be taking up with yet another part of the descriptive analysis under the mean family. And we have seen a good number of examples right now, and I'm picking you. That's the reason, one of the reasons why I'm, uploading separate videos for each one of them rather than just one under the mean family. And this allows me to, reduce the confusion and also helps us to learn very quickly. Now here, first and foremost, in this particular video, I would be showcasing you how to find out the mean for keys in a dictionary. So what is a dictionary in Python? So is it just similar to our dictionary which is available? Yes, you can see in a way it is. Now what is the definition of a dictionary in Python? Now we have to understand that this is an unordered collection of data values. Now in couple of days I would be starting off with the basic programming in Python, and you would be understanding more about these words also. Right now I'm just giving you the definition as well as the syntax and the features about it. So let us know more about the features about it. It helps in the storage of the data values, which is quite similar to the map. For example, if I have to search where Delhi is on the physical map of, let's say, India, I can look DELHI and just look at it and say, okay, now Delhi, and then the point which is presented on the physical map of India. Now these two would be called as keys of a dictionary. So that is the value that we are looking forward when I'm talking about the dictionary, and it is quite useful. And you will see that in some of the analysis later on when I'll be taking you through, we will be using this one also. So the how do we showcase it? Key and then semicolon, then value, which always comes in a pair. And we will see right now when I'll be taking you through the demo part of it. Returns a view object displaying a list of all the keys in the dictionary also. And what is the syntax? Syntax is nothing but dict dot key and then bracket, simple brackets open, simple brackets close. So that's how it goes about. Now let us see what is the coding that we are going to use it right now. Now this would be nothing but statistics dot, because that is the module, that is the package that I'm using it, dot mean, then simple brackets open, then curly brackets open, 1. Then now comes the syntax that I'm using for the dictionary of the keys. So 1 is to, or you can simply say colon, then double quotes open, 1. So these two are are the keys in a dictionary, and they are one defines the other also. Similarly for 2, similarly for the 3, and here there is no space. Just have a look at it, and simple brackets close, the curly brackets close, and then the simple brackets close. And this is nothing but the keys from a dictionary. This is how I'm going to find out. So let us see in a Google Colab how this is going to be taken care of. So here you will be seeing that I have kept the previous steps as it is, because I don't have to keep on keying again, repeating the same thing again and again. So here you will see that I will start off with the hash, and I'll say that finding mean for the keys of the dictionary. So here simply I have written these words now. Now I will be proceeding further. Now let us see as to how to calculate or start off with the coding, which I have already showcased to you in one of the slides, and you can keep the thing ready so that you are aware of it. So here, mean for the keys from a dictionary is the hash. That means it reminds me that yes, I'm coding this particular thing right now. So here, since I already have the code, so I'm just copying it from here and keying and copy paste, as simple as that. And that is the thing that I've learned from R, and same thing I'm doing it here also. So statistics dot mean, and again the entire thing, run the entire code, and you will see that the answer comes to us as 2. So the mean for the keys from a dictionary, and then this is the code, and answer also is coming out to be as 2. So let me proceed further with another variety of the descriptive analysis part, and take you through with that also. Till then, thanks and take care. Bye.